Hi class, in lesson 2.2 you will be investigating multiples and least common multiples. Learning targets for today, you will determine the least common multiple of two numbers. Key terms to look for: common multiple and least common multiple, abbreviated LCM. Please turn to page 62, problem 1, times tables. Many things in life repeat over and over again in a regular cycle. A news radio station in Atlanta broadcasts a weather report every 12 minutes. A ferry crosses Lake Champlain from Vermont to New York every 36 minutes. And Big Ben in London, England chimes every 15 minutes. Please answer numbers 1 through 3 with your group. For number 1, another weather report will broadcast in 12, 24, and 36 minutes. For number 2, the next ferry will depart in 36, 72, and then in 108 minutes. And for number 3, the clock will chime again in 15, 30, and again in 45 minutes. You can determine when two or more of these events will occur at the same time using common multiples. A common multiple is a number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. Please answer number 4, letter A and B with your group. For number 4, letter A, the list of multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, etc. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, etc. So the radio station will broadcast a weather report and Big Ben will chime at the same time every 60 minutes. For letter B, the list of multiples of 60 will give me the times when the radio station will broadcast a weather report and Big Ben will chime at the same time. Please turn to the top of page 63. The least common multiple, abbreviated as LCM, is the smallest multiple, other than 0, that two or more numbers have in common. Please answer number 5 with your group. For number 5, you can determine when these two events will take place by calculating the least common multiple. A more efficient method to determine the least common multiple of two numbers is to use prime factors. Let's consider using prime factorization to determine the LCM of 36 and 15. To calculate the LCM of 36 and 15, first we want to write the prime factors of each number and identify the unique prime factors. The unique prime factors for 36 and 15 are 2, 3, and 5. Next, we want to determine the greatest power of each prime factor. And finally, we want to multiply those factors together. The LCM of 36 and 15 is 180. Please turn to page 64 and answer number 6 with your group. For number 6, the ferries departing to New York and Big Ben chiming will happen at the same time every 180 minutes. Please answer number 10, letters A and B with your group. For number 10, letter A, both clubs will both meet 24 school days from today because 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. For letter B, Lewis will have both club meetings on the same day every 24 school days. Please turn to page 65 and answer number 11, letter A with your group. For number 11, letter A, pizza and salad will be served together again 30 school days from today. You can determine that by calculating the LCM of 6 and 10, which is 30. Please answer number 11, letter C and D with your group. For number 11, letter C, Kevin will be able to eat chicken tenders and salad in 40 school days, because 40 is the LCM of 8 and 10. For letter D, the LCM of 6, 8, and 10 is 120, so the 3 will be served together again every 120 school days. Please turn to page 66 and answer number 12, letter A and B with your group. For number 12, letter A, all 3 classes will occur on the same day in 12 school days because 12 is the LCM of 3, 4, and 6. For letter B, the answer would be no because the 3 classes will not occur together 30 school days from today because 30 is not a common multiple of 3, 4, and 6. This will conclude today's lesson 2.2 on investigating multiples and least common multiples. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.